we're gonna do. We're gonna drill each hand individually, and then I'm gonna give you a new drill to do to try and learn how to put the two of them together without doing the full flower first. I'm gonna drill my left first. Play along at home with me. Okay, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, 3, back, top, front, 4, back, top, front, 5, back, top, front, 6, and 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. And now let's do the right hand. And 5, 6, 7, and bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and last one, and down. To put it together, I think the easiest way to learn how to do it if you have both hands pretty solidly is to start like this. In this case, because of how you're standing, I'd say put your left in front so you can see me. The right is in back, and you're in split time. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna move them both 2 positions. The right one will go up and over, while the left one goes down and back. So the left one goes down and back like that. Right, down and back. Okay, and then the right one goes like this. It goes up and over. And then you'll end up like this. Then you switch. Then the left one goes up and over, while the right one goes down and back. The one that's in front goes down and back. The one that's in back goes up and over. And you're moving 2 positions at a time, trying to stay in split time, and trying to hit all of those places, the 4 points where the petals are actually supposed to come, where the tip of the petal is supposed to be. Trying to keep your weight on your heel without falling forward, all the things. If you're not ready to jump into moving 2 positions at a time, let's start in the same place. And the first thing that we'll do is move 1 position at a time. So bring the left one down and the right one up. And remember your Pilates, so your hips come back. The left one's in the front, the right one's in the back. You bring the left one down and the right one up. Left one down, right one up. Okay, when I say up, I mean like this. Up, not out, and not front. So you're making, if you remember the drills that we did, the Pilates, right? It's the titty drill. T-I-T-I. So we're moving from this T into this I, where the right one's up and the left one's down. Then you move into the other T, where the right one's in the front and the left one is in the back. Remember the split time. Then you move where the left one's up and the right one's down. And then you complete the flower by moving the left one to the front and the right one to the back, and then repeat. Left down, right up, 2, 3, 4, left back, right front, 2, 3, 4, left up, right down, 2, 3, left up, left front, right back, and then left down, right up, and then left back, right front, and then left up, right down. Remember to keep it in split time, strong core, left front, right back, and left down, right up, and left back, right front, and left up, right down, left front, right back, and left down, right up, left back, right front, left up, right down, left front, right back, and left down, right up, and left back, right front, and left up, right down, and left front, right back, and down. If you want to be able to do the one that I tried to start you out on, where you're going 2 positions at a time, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, you probably need to be at a place where you can at least do like this, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, or even better, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch. But the 1, 2 is much harder than the 3. If you can do it with 3 rotations consistently, I think you might be ready at that point to try the 2 position at a time drill. And it might not work, but you know, with more and more practice, you'll get there.